pala tayo. So, anong mga preparation mo ngayong conference? Kumain ng, kumain ng lace, ganun. Boodle fight.
Budol pa. Kumain ice.
Syempre.
Paano kayo nagpe-prepare ngayong season?
Ay, talaga ba talaga?
Totoo ka live. Okay, Neil. Kabahan ka na.
Paano kami nagpe-prepare? Secret, baka malaman mo. Masaya ka ba ngayon? Sure. Ano ba? Charis, ikaw si Kuya. Tito Boy, ako si Crazy. Nakakaloko. Ito na po, okay na po. Pwede na po thank you. Hi guys. Yes.
To the Pilipinas Live fan stream, and this is day number 2. Final 2 teams remaining sa ating PVL Media Day. Muntikan tayo mawala ng trabaho. Ang ganda nung ginagawa.
And
ni
live
Gemma
yun na.
Galanza.
Kung hindi nyo po natatanong, live yun. So narinig nyo si Gemma and Ella nag-i-interviewan ng isa't isa kanina.
So we'll try to match si Gemma really expanding her horizons. We'll try to keep the conversation going. Ella Desus with us. Ella, kumusta? How is the team? How are the new additions? Ano bang things that you've noticed? How much better are you as a team this 2024?
Definitely, syempre sa addition ni Den and Bea, sana mas mapalaban kami this conference. The good additions sa team. And of course, sobrang saya din namin na magkakasama na kami ulit. You know, yung familiar feeling ng parang college days, bumabalik sa amin.
Ella, you've played the libero position so well for the Cool Smashers, lalo na nitong 2023 season. Will you be a libero pa din ba? Babalik ka bang spiker? Ano bang role ang ibibigay sa'yo? Kasi Denden's there, Kyla is also there.
Sa training naman namin, 3 kaming nagtitraining as libero. So, I guess, same position pa din. So, depende na lang if i-surprise ako ni coach. Depende sa game.
Are we gonna see the return of the elevator?
Pero willing ka na mag-open ulit? Do you miss hitting? Do you miss attacking?
Siguro na miss ko talaga yung feeling na makapoint. Iba yung feeling niya kapag nakaka-point ka. And siguro, nakakamiss din talaga mag-spike.
Feeling ko hindi naman mahirap yung integration nyo with Bea and then for sure you're very happy to be reunited with Eliza and itong mga teammates mo before. Kamusta ang training with them? Connect na ba kayo? Especially matagal kayo hindi nagkasama eh.
Hindi naman kami nahirapan mag-adjust with them and sila din sa system namin. Kasi siguro ngayon, sobrang familiar ng feeling and sobrang na-enjoy namin yung time namin together kahit sa training. Parang kahit ang haba ng rally, pagod na kami sa training, mga side comments na bigla na lang, wow, galing mo, ganon. So yun, I think makakapag-adjust sila agad sa system ng team namin.
Some of your teammates traveled during the off-season. What have you been up to nung break?
Nag-travel din. Nagpunta kami ng Japan. Kasi naisip namin para mahaba yung PVL calendar this year. So yun na yung medyo sinulit namin yung break namin talaga.
Where'd you guys go? What experiences did you have?
Actually, second time namin nag-Japan, ni Gemma. Kasi the first time, we went to Japan, Tokyo, and Osaka. Kaya lang, nung nasa Osaka kami, bumagyo. So hindi namin na-explore. So we went back sa Osaka naman this time para ma-explore lang namin yung
Namin yung nag-Japan. Actually, I think isa yan sa mga favorite destinations na malapit lang.
Parang
The
ang dami
food
nga
is
nag-Japan.
so great.
Yes.
Ella, we have a segment called Randomizer wherein we pick a random question, we flash it on the screen, and we ask you to answer that question. So what is the question for Ella? What was the toughest decision you made in your career?
Okay, kasi siguro ang i-consider kong toughest, yung nag-give up ako ng corporate work before. Kasi before magkasabay yung volleyball and corporate work. At that time, hindi pa masyadong established yung pro. Medyo nahirapan ako ipagsabay. Sobrang nakakapagod. So, nag-decide ako kung ano ba yung i-give up ko sa dalawa. So, I think okay naman yung decision ko. I'm happy.
Do you miss corporate work?
No, no.
that was an
Bilis,
easy no for Ella. But
Yes,
I get your
nakakapagod.
point kasi working a day job, nakakapagod siya. I mean, just thinking about the long hours, the travel pa lang. Tapos physically, kailangan at your best ka in training.
Yung training pa namin noon 5 to 8 p.m. So, after talaga ng
Office.
ng office, didiretso sa ano. Eh, alam niyo yung rush hour, di ba? Grabe yung
Yes.
training. Tapos medyo malayo pa yung training venue namin sa work. So, hindi ko talaga kinaya. Para magkakasakit ako lagi.
Can you share with us, or will you be able to share with us anong corporate job mo? What were you doing? Or
What's your role in that
Uh-huh.
company?
Nag-work ako sa PLDT.
okay.
So,
With sila Jem?
Oo, sila Jem. So, nandun ako, in charge kami sa mga operations
I
ng
see.
PLDT.
So no plans of going back.
No.
That was a good answer from Ella. We have another question from the randomizer for you. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung isang mabubunot. What do you miss most about playing in college?
Nung college kasi talagang pure ano lang. Parang volleyball lang talaga yung parang pinaglalaban mo talaga yung school, yung ganon. Yung ganong feeling. Walang halong anything. Pero until now naman, pero iba talaga kapag university siguro yung ano.
Sobrang layo rin siguro ng feeling na nag-aaral at nagva-volleyball ka lang. Sa ngayon na, it's a professional job already. So you really have to take it seriously. Ang daming nakakamiss sa'yo talaga na pumalo. And ako, favorite ko yung moments pag nakikita kitang nakaka-block. The most memorable block was your block against Dindin Santiago Manabat. Parang step ladder yun, no?
Step
That was the
ladder.
best
Di ko alam
run
kung
for
game
Ateneo.
one.
Season 76?
Yeah, 76.
76. Then, grabe no, kinikilabutan
Na-timing.
ako na nalampasan niyo yung step ladder. Napakahirap nun kasi, Sir Eric. I mean, as an athlete, you think about the step ladder, ang dami mong kailangang beses talunin yung team, the next team until sa finals. So, wala lang. I hoping to see you hit again from time to time.
How does it feel like? Kasi stress ni Neil na you guys were underdogs in college, but now you are the top team. What does it feel like going into a game na alam niyo kayo yung target, going to a conference, going to a season? Everybody wants to take you down.
Grabe yung pressure din siguro. Mas mahirap, sabi nga nila, mas mahirap mag-defend ng title kesa sa pumapasok ka na season na may gusto kang mapatunayan. Ganun. So, yung pressure, grabe. Kasi parang napakataas ng expectation sa amin lagi. Parang
I'm sure, pati fans. I mean, fans alone, they expect to see you guys automatic halos finals na, no?
parang, kunyari sa iba, sobrang saya na nila sa pag maka-podium finish, gano'n. Sa Creamline, parang anything less than a gold, parang failure. Ganun yung pinapa-feel ng tao.
Yeah, and of course, there are high expectations, but the fans also have to remember na tao lang din naman. It's not everyday mananalo ka. There will be hard times, but with Creamline, ang bilis nyo kasi mag-bounce back. So I guess kaya nandun yung expectations ng mga fans and alam nilang kayang-kaya nyo.
That's what's impressive about you guys individually and as a team. You're able to handle that kind of pressure, and rise above it.
Sorry.
I mean, the pressure you get to rise above it. And this year ba, meron pa ba kayong pressure na nafe-feel? Kasi parang nagawa nyo naman na lahat. You've been in different situations. In the first All-Filipino Conference, you were down 1 game against Petrogas. Pero nag-champion pa din kayo. So, may pressure pa ba ngayon?
Meron, lagi talaga. And honestly, bawat pasok ng bagong season, kabang-kaba kami kasi hindi talaga namin alam kung ano ipa-perform namin, lalo na ang daming changes din sa ibang teams. And now, syempre may changes din sa team namin. So, hopefully, exciting naman ang season
I'm
namin.
sure the fans are excited to see yung new look, revamped, new and improved Cool Smashers. Maraming salamat, Ella, for dropping by sa interview stage. And we wish you luck for the upcoming conference sa
Thank
PBL.
you. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
And I believe that wraps it up for our time with the Cool Smashers as we let them experience the rest of the PVL Media Day. We will take a break as you see Bea De Leon, the new Cool Smasher, Tots Carlos up above. More of the Media Day with the last team of the final day of PLDT High Speed Hitters coming up dito lang sa Pilipinas Live Fan Stream.